Hey everybody, I'd like to show you today a special recipe that I've been doing for 20 years. And everybody thought that you had a lot of trouble to it and it took a lot of time and all that, but there's nothing to it. I fooled them for all these years. All you have to do is go to the grocery store, get you a gallon of dill pickles, crushed red pepper, some minced garlic, and some brown sugar. You'd be surprised how long it takes to do it, and you can fool your buddies too. I about forgot. I got some leftover okra, and I don't have enough to do my okra pickled recipe, so I want to show you what to do, a fast and easy way to cook some okra. First thing you want to do, you want to take your juice, and you want to save it. So we pour pickle juice in the container. Go ahead and just set it in the sink. And then you want to dump your pickles out. There's some big ones in there on this one. So there we go. Then you got your pickle jar. You can clean it and you can store candy and all kind of stuff in it. Getting around Christmas to give Christmas presents. This is what I did for years and years, and everybody just thought I'd put all kind of hard work and everything in them. We got a last pickle cut up. Of course, you go ahead and you clean your mason jars. So you got a gallon of pickles, so I make 4 quarts. Get them ready, and next thing is this is your pickle juice you saved. And this is the brown sugar. So you take a cup full of brown sugar, go ahead and put it in there. And while that's setting, get our cubes and we're going to fill the jars up. Okay, that's worked out perfect. You get a tablespoon. Get a tablespoon of this garlic, and you dump it in there. Put it in each one. Tablespoon of this crushed pepper in there. And if you like it real hot, you can add some more to it later. Now we want to fill it up with our pickle juice. It don't get no easier than this. That's another thing. Keep them refrigerated and they'll be so crispy. There we go. And I like to shake them up, stick them in the refrigerator, and then hand them out. Okay, here's a simple recipe on the okra. This is the okra I had left over. That didn't have enough to pickle. So we're going to put them in a Ziploc bag. Olive oil, just sprinkle just a little bit of olive oil in there. Don't take much. The olive oil is going to make this other stuff stick to it. Yeah, give a little bit of flavor to it. Well, that's sitting there a minute. Then we're going to get you a Pam or whatever you want to spray you so it won't stick. Spray them on there. Now one trick is to go ahead and sprinkle. I use Montreal seasoning steak sauce for just about everything. And just a little bit, I use Lowry seasoning salt. You don't take a whole lot of that, just a little bit. Be warming your oven up to 400 degrees. Lay them out on there. With the olive oil on it, that seasoning will stick to it on the bottom part. Just a little bit, just a teeny bit seasoning salt on it. Just a little bit Montreal steak seasoning salt. Okay, we got them ready. Yeah, boy, they smell so good too. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time on What's Billy Bob a Cooking Now.